Hello everyone, and welcome to another Old Boys Toys video. And today we're doing a locomotive unboxing. Now, I already have the Trix HO starter set, but I really do need some more rolling stock. Now, I've come to realise that model railway equipment can be very expensive, but PIKO do a hobby range which really is much more budget friendly. Now, this is PIKO's hobby model of the Prussian G7.1 or BR Class 55 as it was known. Well, it looks like it comes very well protected in its hard cellophane shell. And at the rear we have the usual paperwork with some instructions, a guarantee, and a little bit of a catalogue as well. Looks like the usual stuff that comes with PIKO models. So let's pull it out of its box. Plastic moulding looks very nice. I don't think there will be too much metal on this model because it is only PIKO's hobby range. It feels fairly weighty though, with most of the weight in the tender where I think the motor must be. I guess it will pick up from the locomotive as well on the driving wheels, so it should be good over points or turnouts if you want to call them that. Now, the real loco was manufactured in the 1890s and the beginning of the 20th century, and it was made in Germany but distributed all over Europe. My model is from the Italian State Railway, which is known as FS. Yeah, so it looks really nice. Seems a little small, but I'm used to 00 gauge back in the UK, and of course HO is a slightly smaller scale, and this particular loco in real life wasn't exactly that big. So I'm going to run it on my small oval of track here on the table, just to see how she goes. And first impressions, she goes very well. Very smooth and extremely quiet. This loco crawls along so slowly. This will get better as it runs in as well. So I'm really pleased that it's going to look really great at a scale speed. I can't wait to get more rolling stock now and some more track, and as soon as I do I'll be able to start putting my permanent layout down in the cellar. That's going to be real fun. So I'm really happy with this locomotive, and I would say for a newbie or someone like me who's getting back into the hobby, this is an ideal budget purchase. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.